Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product that is sure to light up your Halloween celebrations, the HDHF 20Pack Light-Up Glasses Mardi Gras Party Supplies. The Christmas LED Glasses Party Pack includes 20 LED glasses in 6 vibrant colors. These glow-in-the-dark glasses are perfect for adding a fun and colorful touch to your Halloween decorations. The high-quality plastic materials used in these glasses make them durable and safe for both kids and adults. From birthday parties to Halloween events, these LED glasses are versatile and perfect for any occasion. Imagine the fun and excitement of a nightclub or festival with these neon flashing glasses. Get ready to rock the night away at a party or a dance with these glowing spectacles. In summary, the HDHF 20-pack light-up glasses are the perfect Halloween decorations glow in the dark. If you're looking to add a colorful and fun element to your parties, these LED glasses are a must-have. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your celebrations with these vibrant and exciting party favors. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on top products. Stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel. Until next time, happy partying and enjoy the glow with the HDHF 20-pack Light-Up Glasses Mardi Gras Party Supplies.